everyone! Welcome back to our English Learner.
Hi, friends. How are you today?
Yes, today we're going to talk about improve your speaking today.
Don't worry if your English is not perfect. We're here to practice together.
So, Tom, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. The weather is nice, so I feel happy.
Yes, it's sunny. Perfect day to practice English.
Exactly. So, what did you do this morning?
I woke up at 7, brushed my teeth, and had breakfast. And you?
I woke up at 6:30, drank coffee, and ate some fruit.
Sounds healthy. Did you go anywhere after breakfast?
Yes, I went to the park for a short walk. It was nice and quiet.
That's nice. I just stayed at home and read a book.
What book did you read?
It's called Simple English Stories. Very easy and fun.
Oh, that's perfect for beginners. Friends, you can try reading simple stories too.
Yes, reading helps a lot.
So, do you want to practice some conversation now?
Sure. Let's pretend we are at a cafe,
Okay, I'll be the customer first.
and I'll be the waiter.
Good morning. Can I have a coffee, please?
Of course. Do you want sugar or milk?
Sugar, please. And can I have a sandwich too?
Sure. 1 coffee with sugar and 1 sandwich. That's $5.
Here you are. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your food.
Now let's switch. You be the customer.
Good afternoon. Can I have a tea, please?
Sure, milk or lemon.
Milk, please. And I would like a cake too.
Okay, tea with milk and a cake. That will be $4.
Here you are. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your tea.
I love these role plays. They're very useful.
Yes. Friends, try this with someone at home.
Hey, should we practice pronunciation now?
Sure. Repeat after me. Ship, sheep, shop, shop.
Cat, cut, cout, cout.
Think, tank, tank.
Rice, lice, light, light.
Great! Let's try a tongue twister. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Slowly first. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Now faster. She sells seashells by the seashore.
That was tricky. One more. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Very difficult. Let's repeat slowly. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Yes, friends. Practice this every day.
Do you want to tell a short story now?
Sure, I'll start. My busy day. I wake up at 7, I brush my teeth, and had breakfast. I go to school. At school, I read and write. After school, I play with my friends. In the evening, I eat dinner with my family. At night, I go to bed.
Questions. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7. And you?
Same. What do you do after school?
I play football or sometimes read a book.
Nice. Friends, try telling your own day. It's easy and fun.
Let's play a game now. Yes or no.
Okay.
Do you like pizza?
Yes. And chocolate too.
Do you like spiders?
No way.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, very much. Your turn to ask me.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you like homework?
No, not really.
Friends, you can play this with family too.
Let's pretend we are traveling now. I'm at the airport.
Okay. Excuse me, where is the check-in desk?
It's over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What time is my flight?
It's at 3 p.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
That was perfect. These phrases are very useful.
How about shopping now? I'll be the shopkeeper.
Okay.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I want a t-shirt.
What color?
Blue, please.
That's $10.
Here you are. Thank you.
You're welcome. These role plays are fun.
Friends, try them every day.
Should we talk about hobbies now?
Yes. What do you like?
I like reading, playing football, and listening to music. And you?
I like painting, cooking, and sometimes dancing.
That's nice. Friends, tell someone your hobbies in English.
Okay, let's talk about family. How many people are in your family?
I have 4 people, my mother, father, sister, and me. And you?
I have 5 people. My parents, 2 brothers, and me.
That's fun. Friends, practice talking about your family too.
Yes, it's easy.
Should we do another story?
Sure.
My weekend. I wake up late. I eat breakfast with my family. I watch TV. I play football. I eat dinner. At night, I play games and sleep.
Questions. What do you play on the weekend?
Football and sometimes games on my computer.
Nice. Friends, try telling your weekend story too.
Great. Should we do another role play?
Yes. How about at the park?
Okay. I'm walking and I see you.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good. And you?
I'm great. Do you want to play football?
Yes, let's play.
Okay, friends. You can practice this with someone at the park too.
This is fun.
I agree. Shall we continue with some travel phrases?
Sure. Excuse me, can you tell me how to go to the train station?
Yes, go straight and turn left. It's next to the bank.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Friends, try practicing directions with someone.
Okay, do you want to talk about food now?
Yes, I love food.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza and pasta. And you?
I like noodles and fruit.
Friends, tell someone your favorite food today.
Yes, and also ask them, what do you like?
That's good practice.
Thank you, friends, for joining our podcast.
Yes, practice with us again next time, guys.
Goodbye, everyone.
Subscribe for more video and improve English with us. Share to your friends, like the video, and feel free to comment if you have any questions. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.